everybody, Jeff Yenser here, and this is the Tulsi Basil plant. I've been planting these here on the farm around these trees, and this Tulsi Basil is highly valued as a plant by herbalists and for its nutritional quality. It makes a great tea and has antioxidant properties among other things. You can always research this plant and find out a lot of great things about it. Now, one of the things as far as caring for it is to pinch these tops off. Pinch that off, don't let it go to seed. That will encourage nice bushy growth, and that's what you want. Lots of leaves growing on this. You want it to grow bushy. If there were any dead or faded leaves on this plant, I would pull it off also. It likes good fertile soil. It's in a blend here of compost and manure, and it's well mulched in. It likes to be watered but not overwatered. It enjoys full sun. It's a tropical plant, so it'll grow in colder climates, but only as an annual. It thrives and does better in warmer climates like here in Florida. You can grow this in the more northern states as well in the summer. Pinching off the top of holy basil to encourage growth of the leaves and make it bushier.